Oops, yeah. So hello, good morning. So, so today I will going to teach you how to make your life unproductive. So let's start. First, scroll on TikTok. Yeah, the moment you wake up, don't think about anything. Just keep scrolling. Yeah, uh, like yeah, fuck those all around you. Keep scrolling. Then when you go to bathroom to take a poop, bring your phone. Never forget your phone. Just bring it and keep scrolling. Even if you are in some kind of pooping. uh, okay. So can't really tell. So let's save it for later na lang. So here, make this rounded for the radius. So just remember, to ruin your life, keep scrolling and TikTok. 50%. Then adjust the width, of course, with 20. It's not final. So let's adjust the position to absolute. Make the center absolute margin auto and insert 0. What the heck? Oh, okay, the margin is okay. Now you have a near to it. Whoa, seems perfect to me. Then how about this alien wear thing? Okay, let's create this horizontal flap. Just wait. Let me see. Like this. Okay. Okay, this is the center. I will center my face first. Then horizontal, no? Yeah. So let's rename this first. Head. Like what we did. Like what's on the screen. Head. The head. It's an alien head. So let's name this. So wings or yeah, let's keep that wings. So here wings, yeah, they're similar. Then let's copy this. This is already centered by the way, so why not reuse it. Then remove the border radius. Then the height, let's reduce the height and add it to the width. So double the width. Okay, the height, let's cut the height. Okay, and add the width. Right, then border radius to the bottom left corner and the bottom right corner. So do that. Border radius, border bottom right. What, double O? No. Border bottom right radius 50 pixel. Alright, doing good. Maybe 40. 30. 20. Maybe not pixel but percent. No, pixel, yeah. It's not applicable. Oh, let's create the fourth border first. Border radius first. Border radius like 20 pixel. To achieve this rounded top right corner. Then from here, let's reduce the radius to the bottom more. Okay, it's not helping. Okay, copy this right, bottom right, and rename this to bottom left. So we have the outer layer. Now that's all that's left is the eyes here. We can do a circle, a normal circle here. Yeah, normal circles. Normal circles. I1, and this is I2. So first off, I1, then copy this head, paste it to the eye course. Now the color of the eye is this, the color of the background, this purple shade here. Then reduce the size, so maybe 60, 50, and this is 30. For now, let's create a perfect circle. That similar size, height, and width. Oh, my door is open. I left it open. Anyway, then adjust the position so we can't use this end set. We need to type the all sides, the four sides, left, bottom, and right. Sure. Then to adjust this to the left, so negative. First, we will gonna do the left eye. So because why? Because people read from left to right. Then the bottom, push this to the bottom, 40 pixel, 30, 20. I think it's good. Copy this for the I2, name this I2, and then invert the value. Okay, there are two circles here, but we all know it's not really what we wanted. So let's move this a bit left and this a bit right. Then put maybe 25, you know. 25. Okay. Then put some the width is 25 and then the height is 30. To achieve this oval like shape, then you can just 30. You can just rotate this, transform, rotate this 45 degrees. So this is the original transform, the original rotation. I can't name it. Basta, this is the original. If you rotate this 45 degrees, it looks something like this. 90 degrees. Then 180 degrees. Yeah, 180. Up and upside down. So 45, you will just gonna rotate here. So here, so negative 45 because we are rotating here, not here. We are talking about the left eye, by the way. 45 degrees. Okay. You see that? It rotates here. Oh, I see. It's happening. So copy this first. Let's quickly copy this. Then this is on the rotate this clockwise. Yeah. So I noticed here the two eyes are too close to each other. So let's make them far away. Far away. So let's move them to this right eye. Move this to the right a bit. Then this left eye, move this to the left a bit. Okay. Let's submit. So that's my tutorial how to ruin your life. Keep scrolling reels, anything that's taking your time, that has nothing to do with self-improvement. Do that.